Kate here with WTI. Now, HABUTWAY is making all of your childhood dreams come true with their awesome 3-foot beanbag chair. So what makes this so cool is that it's an amazing size, first of all. 3 feet is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's filled with memory foam, so that makes it incredibly comfortable, but it also bounces right back to shape when you get off, which is nice. It has a removable cover. That is always my biggest fear. How am I going to clean this thing? So with the removable cover, you can throw it right in the washing machine. It's super soft. It's a microfiber velvet, so soft to the touch. It even has a pocket on the side for your cell phone or for whatever. Very cool. A handle so you can bring it from room to room. My son has this in his bedroom, but he brings it to our room to watch TV, to the living room. He does his homework on it. It's so nice to have a personal spot to just chill, but it can be brought all over the house so the whole family can enjoy it. It comes really compressed and vacuum sealed when you first get it, but you just open it up and in no time it fluffs right up. If you help it along the way a little bit by giving it a little fluff, it'll come to shape even faster. So if you want to spoil your kiddo or anyone in the family, honestly, even yourself with this beanbag chair, you're going to love it. Honestly, I'm so happy we have it, and that's my point of view.